Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Having dissected definition into two parts, the rationale for including a female/woman under the expression relative of the husband or male partner is not difficult to fathom. It is common knowledge that in case a wife is harassed by husband, other family members may also join husband in treating the wife cruelty, and such family members would invariably include female relatives as well. If restricted interpretation is given as contended by the petitioner, the very purpose for which this act is enacted would be defeated. It would be very easy for the husband or other male members to frustrate the remedy by ensuring that the violence on the wife is perpetrated by female members. Even when protection order under section 18 or residence order under section 19 is passed, the same can easily be defeated by violating the said orders at the hands of the female relatives of the husband. It is not even necessary to proceed on the aforesaid assumptions. Various provisions in the DV Act provide for clinching the circumstances indicating that female relative was clearly in the mind of the legislature when it comes to filing of the complaint. Application by a wife or a female living in a relationship in the nature of marriage as contemplated in proviso to section 2 under bracket Q. These provisions are sections 19, 21 and 31 of the DV Act. The wordings of section 19 of the DV Act makes it clear that the section provides for disposal of applications made under subsection 1 of section 12 by the magistrate. Under subsection 1 of section 19, the magistrate can pass any order against a female person other than the order under clause B, whereas proviso to subsection 1 of section 19 puts a bar on the power of the magistrate for passing an order against any person who is a woman under section 19 under bracket 1B. In other words, except residence order under section 19 under bracket 1B, it is competent for the magistrate to pass orders against the relatives of the husband, including a female person under section 19 under bracket 1C, that is restraining the respondent or any of his relatives from entering any portion of the shared household in which the aggrieved person resides. For example, if the aggrieved person along with husband resides in a house owned by joint family, including the presence of the respondent, his brothers and sisters, if any, whether or not the respondent has no legal or equitable interest or title in the shared household, he can be restrained from dispossessing the aggrieved person. Further, under subsection 8 of section 19, if an aggrieved person was provided with residential house towards her Stridhan property or valuable scrutiny, namely gold, jewelry, etc., which was in possession of the female member of the husband. Section 21 of the Act deals with grant of temporary custody of any child or children to the aggrieved person or the person making an application on her behalf and specifies necessary arrangements for visit of such child or children by the respondent. Stop.